Alright, so today I'm going to be filming the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Calera ceiling fan that's installed out in the screen and porch of fans' houses at Sarah's house. In the real life, not in game, but the real Calera that he has, it needs some work because the blades yellowed out, but it's not in this game. Let's see. But it kind of looks like it. It's yellowed. And it has pulsing sound effects. So this is going to be almost to our last video. Because I don't really have time. I can only film one more fan, which is the other builder's best, 2 out of 3. And I'm going to save the other fans for tomorrow. So, start the light. And as you can see, all the bulbs in the globe are working. I need to move out of the way so the blades won't hit me. I don't know why they lowered the ceiling of the screen on porch. There's low. It's low. Has a great low speed to it. Because it's now 8:52 in Illinois, and I'm about to go to sleep like at 9 o'clock, so I'm going to have to make this quick. Right, here goes medium. Medium. Oh, what a surprise. This fan also goes fast on medium. Wow. I'm surprised. I need to hurry on this video because I don't want to waste time. Alright, here goes high. This is gonna go super fast, but it does not wobble at all. And this is high. It goes real fast. So that's it. This is the 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Calera ceiling fan that's installed out in the screen and porch of fans' houses at Sarah's house. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.